Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this Solstice 230 Harris. It is equipped with the ceramic white exterior, the vivid blue with the vivid blue accent, and the black powder coated fins. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower. Interior, we have the pillow top moonlight gray with the onyx accent. You can see we have the single lounger dual helm seating configuration. Nice area for coving out. This boat is equipped with the safety railing with the fender holders here. So if you clip that railing closed, you can legally ride facing backwards here in Missouri. It is equipped with the ski tow bar, so you could pull a couple skiers or two from that point. Let's climb aboard here. Check out the captain's helm area. We do have the Simrad screen. Nice upgraded steering wheel here with the JL audio. Digital throttle. Very nice helm design layout. Check out these seats and their accents. Very nice stitching pattern chosen by Harris here. So very great, comfortable, upgraded captain and co-captain's chair. We do have the in-floor storage here, and then your seating configuration up here with storage inside. This is equipped with the ottoman with cooler, so you can load it up with drinks or whatever you liken to. It is removable, so if you decide you wanted more room on the floor, you can take it and leave it on the dock or in the bed of the truck that day. This does have the table flap. Sorry about the noise, I'm in the rig center here. But you can see end table flip up. So again, this is a Harris 230 Solstice. You can call us at MarineMax 573-606-3022. We'll look forward to getting you out on the water.